This pendulum represented both longitudinal and tensor wave. I'm showing the working of this model here, how the longitudinal and tensor waves are moves when it rotates. This model represents the human ear. This is tuning fork, and here guys, these are the lattice points of different crystals, and this is lattice planes of different materials. And this is symmetry of elements. This is plane of symmetry of elements and molecules of crystallities. And this is Miller indices, and these are the Newton prism, Newton disk, and concave and convex lenses. This Science Day was celebrated in Cotton College State University, Assam. So that's all guys. Please like, share and comment to my video and subscribe to my channel for more informative videos. Thank you.